What strength do you draw on, or strengths, when you're giving speeches?
I would say a couple. The first being self-assurance. You got to be confident when you're on stage, or else no one's going to believe anything you're saying. And if you show confidence and exude confidence when you're giving a talk and connect with the audience, you're going to do a really good job, I think, of inspiring people when you're giving a speech. I would say the second thing would be activator. Got to take reps. It's like shooting free throws, right? Or taking 1,000 shots a day. And so when I was campaigning for mayor, I learned quickly that, being a consultant, working in banking, allows you to build good public speaking skills, but it's a different kind of public speaking when you're in a town hall with 100 voters trying to get their vote, asking hard questions. And I had to really learn how to take what I really learned well in the private sector and apply that to what it means to be a candidate for public office. And so I think those skills, getting out, getting reps, being an activator, but also having the confidence to get on stage and take the risk to give that speech or talk, has allowed me to be successful.